I'm going to discuss about string versus string buffer. String and string buffer are introduced in Java 1.0 version itself. And there are many differences between string and string buffer. The major difference is string objects are immutable object, and the string buffer is mutable. Before discussing about string and string buffer briefly, we will discuss the concept of immutability. What is a immutability? How can we create our own immutable classes? And what are the other immutable classes in the Java? Yeah, we will discuss about uh, immutability now. Let us take a simple example like string. I have a class. I have a class test string. This is one of my class, and I have a main method public static void main string array arguments. And now I want to create a string object. String is equal to new string of hello, right? And I want to change the object content. So I want to add s dot concat of world. Okay, and I'm printing the s system dot out dot println. Println of s. Main method close and class is closing. Right. I'm taking one more example for string buffer. I have another class test string buffer. I have a main method here public static void main string array arguments. Yes. Now I want to create a string buffer object here. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of hello, and I want to add one more content sb dot. Here string buffer method is append of word, like system dot out dot println of sp. Yes. Now let us look at class test string. Here we are created string object s with a content of hello, but in the this is a first line and this is a second line, this is a third line, right? In the line number 2 we are trying to add word string to the s. We are trying to concat. In the line number 3 we are trying to print the string object. Here what will happen? Is it will be uh, it, it will be printed as hello world. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. What is the output of here? Let us execute in my clips. Yes, I have a string buffer test class here, and I'm I created a s1 object, string buffer s1 equal new string buffer of hello, and I'm appending content word, right. What is the output? I'm printing the s1 object. What is the output here? Let us I'm executing the class string buffer test now. Yes, hello world, right. The output is hello world. The output is here hello world, expected output, right. Hello world. And I have one more class, string test class here. Yes, I'm creating the s1 object and I concatenated word, and then I'm trying to print the same string object. I'm executing this class hello. The output is hello. Once more, yeah, hello is the output. Here not hello world, it is only hello. Because string Java people give a capability string class is a immutable object, because the immutability nature is nothing but once object is created with some content, here s is created with hello content, right. There, so s is pointing to hello, and here in the line number second we are trying to add word to s, right. Word to s, but by the nature of immutability it won't be added. We are not allowed to change or add the existing object, is called it as immutability nature. But in the string buffer we can add the content or we can delete the content, because it is a mutable object. But string is a immutable object, we cannot change the object. If we are trying to change the object, the new object will be created in the heap. Yeah, we will discuss in the later. But the existing object cannot be changed. That nature is called as immutable. And the next difference is